All right, family. Today I'm bringing you ACV lemonade. That is apple cider vinegar lemonade. Listen, I love this lemonade because you can really do whatever. We're not going to use all the ingredients that you see here. Basically, what we're going to use is water, which is not even seen here, the honey, and the apple cider vinegar. But you can use a lemon, lime, or grapefruit, or maybe even an orange, like whatever citrus you're feeling that day. I guess it wouldn't be lemonade anymore. But this is a nice, drink to have when you're kind of tired of water and you want something different. What you will need for this recipe includes the lemon, the limes. Oh wait, sorry. Lemon or lime, not both. Apple cider vinegar and honey. All right, now to make this lemonade, you're going to need some sort of juicer. I guess you technically don't need one. You could just juice the citrus thing that you're using, like squeeze it directly into the cup or the pitcher. The amount of lemonade we're gonna make is gonna be 1 liter, or actually technically 350 milliliters of lemonade. It usually comes out to one large mason jar, and I thought those mason jars were 1 liter, but it's actually like about 3/4 of a liter roughly. So you're going to take the juice of 1 lemon. If you want to use lime, you could use 2 limes. If you want to use grapefruit, I would just use 1 grapefruit. And if you want to use an orange, you could just use 1 orange. So you're gonna squeeze. I don't know why it's taking me so long, but yes, once you're done squeezing out what you need, you're going to transfer the citrus juice into your mason jar. Now, just as a side note, one thing I like to do, especially during the summer, is get a big old pitcher and make about 4 servings of this in that pitcher. Totally random aside, but yeah, it's nice because then you can kind of have it on tap, Anyway, now that we put the lemon juice in the jar, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It doesn't have to be the Bragg's brand, but I don't know. I just like them. Maybe they just have good branding. I don't know if it's that much better quality than other brands. And also, for the record, I found out that they have a similar lemonade recipe on the back of the bottle. I didn't know that, so I wasn't cheating. I literally just made this up on my own. So don't at me, okay? This is my creation, and I don't think they added honey, but I did. Anyway, or they added less. I don't know, something like that. So what you want to do is take 1 tablespoon of honey. Now, the type of honey that you get matters. It really matters. If you're not picky, maybe you won't notice, but I kind of noticed. I first made this recipe with this type of honey, which is a little bougie, but it just tastes delicious. I don't know, it tastes really good. And I used some lower quality honey since then, and I kind of regretted it. So be careful. I do think that the generic Walmart, it's technically not, no, it is generic. The generic Right Value Walmart honey is good enough, but be careful about the honey that you use. It really does matter. Anyway, right now I'm filling up my water, my mason jar with cold water. Actually, that was a lie. I just put in a little bit of water so I can mix everything. Even if your honey is not solid, you definitely want to put in just a little bit of water to mix the apple cider vinegar and the honey and the lime juice together. And then you want to add fill up the rest of the jar with water. So mix. Get your little workout on. So when all that is said and done, it should be, a liquid, as you see here. And so now I'm going to go and fill up the rest of the jar with some cold, refreshing water, straight from the springs of wherever they get this water from. And bam, here we are. Now, is this a replacement for water? Technically, no. But I mean, technically yes as well. It's mostly water. So if you want to add this to your daily count of water, I won't judge you too hard. You know what I mean? Anyway, you saw the price per meal breakdown. You saw the nutrition facts. I hope you're having a lovely day. I hope you really like this beverage. I do think it's a great replacement for water if you struggle with drinking water. But if you have trouble eating too much sugar, then don't do that. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.